What's up? How are you doing today? My name is Seven, and I'm your host for Fishing 24/7. Let me take you down to Washington Park in Denver, Colorado, and show you what a simple jerkbait may catch. Please subscribe to help this channel grow. I'll catch you later.
The man that needs no introduction, Mr. Seven. His YouTube page, and that's Fishing 24/7.
But the biggest thing about today is we have a special guest, simply known as Seven. Seven, we talked a little bit about fish, right? There's things that when you talk to Seven, a couple things you have to talk about. Fish, snacks, and sleep, okay? So you're a multi-species angler. You love fish of all sizes.
Ian's on fire. Every cast he caught a fish. Nice. I think the fish are addicted to this. Awesome.
This is how we are doing it. We are using jerk baits. Cast it out there as far as you can. Reel it in slowly, and occasionally give it a few jerks. Small one. Woo! Yeah, small one though. Okay. I'm gonna release him now. Put him over here.
Thank you for watching. I'm glad you could join us. The next time you show up at Washington Park, bring a jerkbait, see what you may catch. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help this channel grow. Check out other videos on this channel, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep on fishing.